Vintage espresso machines that don't just work. They turn up broken and covered in decades of rust and limescale. Then they sit for days, weeks, in tiny pieces. And then there's the scrubbing. Decades of rust and limescale. And how do I replace this bit of plastic that nobody makes anymore? Eventually all the tiny pieces go back together and I think it might make coffee again. But now I don't have any tiny pieces of espresso machine covered in decades of rust and limescale for me to scrub. Should I enjoy using this machine and scrub again when it's covered in decades of rust and limescale? Or should I go on the hunt for some more